Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn autosave drafts in mobile app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the LinkedIn mobile app on your device. Log in to your LinkedIn account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the home page, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Account. Tap on Account to access further options. Now, search for Drafts in the available settings. You should find an option to enable autosaved drafts. Enable this feature by toggling the switch on. Once enabled, your posts will automatically save as drafts. To create a draft, go back to the home page. Tap on the post icon located at the bottom of the screen. Write your post as you normally would. If you leave the post without publishing, it will autosave. To access your saved drafts, go back to the post creation screen. Tap on the drafts icon to view your autosaved content. You can edit or publish any draft from this list. And that's it. You've successfully enabled LinkedIn's autosaved drafts feature on the mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.